So remove the 5, 20 millimeter. Switch to my headset, but you get this issue right here. It's when the lug nuts get swollen. A lot of these lug nuts, they got the centerpiece, and then there's like a piece over it. Water and rust gets in there and it expands. Take the largest punch you have, just drive it straight down there and just hit it against something. And that's what happens. It flies out. Yeah, oh yeah, see, you can already tell. Yeah, it's pretty rusted out. All right, so quick inspection. Just saying, make sure you douse everything with lubricant. Let it sit for a little bit. But I'm also noticing that these sway bar links are pretty much done for. All right, anyways, starting right here, this is a 21 millimeter. Now, just to break that bond, I know it's not gonna come off right now, but I like to just break it loose with this. There we go. So now we're gonna, oh, so much rust. Take a 10 millimeter, put that down on there. Okay, it's moving down at least, so that's good. So, flip this around, let's get this off. Just set that right here, there we go. And this is the process we'll do all the way down. I won't bore you with that. Okay, that sucked. Very corroded, if you can see that. You're on my head, I know, but there we go. All right. Oh yeah, it was just, look at that. Nothing left. That's good though. So we'll put that back in there. Let's see if we can even, I just need just a little bit. Not even a little bit. All right, so we'll see if that stays in there. So what we're gonna have to do is take this nut, drive it that way. Not even gonna bother putting heat on it yet. It's been soaking for a while now. I'm hoping just break it loose. Now you're gonna wanna go righty-tighty to back it up. And hopefully the inner doesn't spin. But with how rusted it is, I'm assuming it's probably going to. Use some foot power. Oh, there we go. Did it break loose or? Nope, as I suspected. All right, get yourself another pipe wrench. And we'll put it on here. There's like little flat spots on there. Just keep wiggling it back and forth till it's tight as possible, because we got to stop this from spinning. And then same thing. Got some movement. There we go. All right. All I really need for now. So I barely moved this. We're gonna stay like this. Now we're gonna count the rotations. All right, we'll go with 26. Yeah, it doesn't have to be 100% accurate. Just, yeah, get it to 26. Still gotta get a front end alignment done once you have this done, but you just wanna get as close as possible. Now to remove the nut. Honestly, I usually just, for video's sake, I'm not going to, but usually I just don't even bother taking all that off. I just cut it. I could have this done in, you know, 10 minutes. But that's not how anybody else is probably gonna try that, so. All right, I'll back the screw off and be right back. All right, and it's fully broken loose. So what I like to do is, it's probably, let me see, is it a 21? Yeah, so I'll take this and I'll take that. I said screw earlier, but it's a nut. There we go. Now you take your needle nose or pliers, get rid of this right here. Ow, a lot of pressure. Now we're gonna need to break the bond in between. Oh yeah, there we go. And it's broke. That's okay. There we go, perfect. Now you get the longest flathead that you have. In my case, this is it. Now we're gonna be looking back there. Oh, there it is, for a little tab. Hopefully you can see that. Again, you're on my head. We're just gonna take it. Can't reuse these. We're gonna take it, hit it with a hammer a couple times. There we go. Bust it open. Just keep spinning this, keep the bond broken. There we go. This is what it looks like. And then you just pull it off however you can. All right. So, got my universal tool that I've already used so many times in other videos. 3 half-inch extensions. Okay. Let's see here. And that's it. Take your new one out and get the nut off. Go ahead and screw that one in. And we'll take our tool, slide it on the new one. Ooh. Okay, it's on there. Oh. Love that tool. Really cheap on Amazon. I picked it up and like I said, I use it so often. It's not failed once, rather than those ones from AutoZone or Advance Auto that you can just rent, which is an awesome option, don't get me wrong, but man, so many times I had problems with those. All right, you want to line that up so it's a nice, good seal back there. And you'll put back on your clamp. You slide the new nut on. Oh. take the old nut out first, but then, yeah, it just doesn't matter how far you put this one yet. Just get it on there fast as possible. Get our new one. Chassis parts. I wonder if that's the name of the company. I've used them a lot of times before. It's really good stuff, I'll tell you that. I'm very happy with their stuff. Don't put it on with that rubber cone. All right, so we're gonna take it here. Start the first time, we're gonna count 25 more. All right, put that on. Just start this new nut for now. And then we need to get this tightened up again. Your instinct's gonna tell you to go right, but you need to go left. There we go, lock that on there. And again, none of this really matters because they do have to go get a front end alignment after this. This new one also has a 21 millimeter, so we'll go ahead and drive this one down. Okay, so that is how you replace the inner and outer tie rods on a 2011, I believe it's a 2011 Lincoln MKS. I'll leave everything in the description, the parts I use. I'll leave another link to that inner tie rod remover. I think it's like 10 or 12 bucks on Amazon. You can purchase that and not have to worry about the auto parts store or ever buying it again. Because again, I've been using it long time on tons of these, and I'm still using it today. Don't know what kind of warranties on it, but anyways, thanks for watching. I'm gonna have some more videos coming up, obviously. Gonna have to remove this and lower control arm. I'm seeing that the bushing right here is completely gone, and with the vehicle this old, it's really not worth just replacing the one. So we're just gonna replace the whole control arm. Come with brand new everything, at least get her some lifetime warranty, so if it ever goes out again, if the car lasts longer than the control arm, then be free. So like I said, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you next time.